Select multiple images. First, you can set video resolution. Adjust the display duration of each picture, and set image transition and the display duration. Let's take a look at the original files. If there are 2 MP3 files in the folder, 2 videos will be created. Add the original files into Visdee AiDubber. Tab Dub and check Dub mode. Select MP3, then click Start. Visdee AiDubber start to create videos automatically. The speed of video production depends on your computer's hardware. Let us take a look at the 2 created videos now. Thanks for watching.